welcome back to my channel. Today I have Emily. Hello Emily, and we are going to unbox Sephora Play versus
Ipsy. We have two Ipsy this month because Mom hid them from me for the past 2 months.
I wouldn't let her open it because I knew we were going to do this. And we moved, so we've been a little busy. Sorry if you missed me, life update. But okay, let's get started. So this is my first box I've ever gotten from Sephora. Show off and share Sephora Play. Okay, Way. Okay, this is Way. Way is Jen Atkins hairline products. I love Jen Atkins. You've got to look her up. She's an amazing hairstylist. Shampoo and conditioner. So little Way.
Okay, I'll open one and you open one.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
You do it.
So here's January. So this is New Year stuff.
Okay.
It comes with a little thing.
Okay.
Here's the bag of the month.
Cute.
It's
Very
plain,
cute.
but it's cute.
Very cute.
Okay. Here. Oh, I've gotten this before in a different color. It's highlighter.
Naked.
From Naked. It's really sparkly. You can't really see, but it's like very shimmery, and it's blue.
Very cute. Okay, and then I've got Good Jeans, Sunday Riley, and it's a lactic acid treatment. Deeply exfoliates for your complexion. So, okay, little like acid treatment for the face. So, Sunday Riley, there you go.
Okay, so this is lip butter from Acar.
You don't know really how
I
to
don't know.
pronounce it, but
I want to open this.
okay, open it.
Okay, so there we go.
Oh my gosh, that looks
it's
amazing.
So tiny, but it's cute. It's
Open
like
it.
look, it's so little. Okay, I'm gonna put some on.
Okay. Lip balm. Does it smell good? Doesn't really
I'm
smell
kind of sick, but
good. Emily's homesick today. Okay, it kind of smells like honey a little bit. Okay, then I got okay, whoa, what is this? Oh, so a solid. Okay, yes. This is blender. Oh, blender cleanser. Oh, blender cleanser. So the little blender, your little blending sponge. This is the soap that you're supposed to wash it with. So blender cleanser. Okay, I love that. Actually, I love that. I don't have this, so I'll be washing my blender today, I guess. There you go. Okay.
so this is mascara from Ciate. Is that it?
Yes.
How do you spell it?
I have their nail polish.
It's London Wonderland mascara. So it has all these cute little stars on it.
That is cute.
Okay. So it looks like this.
Ooh, look at that brush.
Brush looks nice.
That's a good brush. That
Yeah,
looks like a brush my home has it, doesn't it? I think it is.
No.
No, okay. Then I have water sleeping mask for all skin, especially hair. Laneige, I believe is the name. That's what it looks like right there. Okay, I'll open that up. Hold on. Yeah, so it's a little cream. So there you go. That's fine. What do you got?
So this is liquid lipstick. It's velvet liquid lipstick actually, and it's matte, long-lasting, and moisturizing.
What's the brand on that?
This is Hola Neon.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I've never heard of that.
I haven't either. New brand. Okay.
Yeah, Hola Babe.
Hola, babe. I like that.
Okay. Oh, the color looks too intense for me.
I'll be stealing this one.
But it looks cute though, and I really like
The packaging is really pretty. Yeah. Okay, I love that. Okay, can I have that?
Okay.
That is dark now. Okay,
That's
I'm
really
stealing
pretty
that.
though.
I'll be stealing that right now. Thank
Sick.
you. I love that.
Look at it.
actually.
Looks really nice.
There you go. Okay, then I've got Living Proof Perfecting Spray. It's a conditioning, detangling spray. Oh, good. Okay, that's nice.
I just got leave-in conditioner.
Oh my gosh. The same thing. That's
But
crazy.
mine's bigger, haha.
Okay, you're right. Mine's 15 milliliters.
Mine's amazing formula. Is what mine is. So this is Pure Brazilian Miracle leave-in conditioner with
Ooh, I need that. My hair's frizzy.
Correct. No.
Keratin.
Mine is so frizzy. I
Yeah.
am keeping this for
Okay.
sure.
All right. Fine.
Okay, so this is you shampoo and condition hair, towel dry, and spray for 4 to 6 pumps throughout hair. Then use a comb to distribute conditioner from roots to ends. Do not rinse out.
Okay.
Style as
Okay.
usual.
They can read the directions on their own.
I'm just saying what it does, like how
Okay,
you do
just
it,
kidding. Okay.
because I want to know too.
Okay. All right.
And that's it for mine.
Okay, and then my last one is Bite, which I love this brand so much. I'm so excited. Look at this. Okay, wait. Look at that. It's lipstick. So I love this. I'm very happy with this. Okay, so overall, I would give Sephora Play 2 thumbs up. I'm happy I ordered it, and I would highly suggest it. So, yes, that's good. Oh, and in the meantime, while she's opening her second bag, I have a book recommendation, Boundaries in Dating, for you teenagers around here. They need to know. And Boundaries books by Dr. Henry Cloud and Dr. John Townsend. Any of their books, amazing. Go out, run, don't walk. Boundaries books. Okay, what do we have?
Okay, so
Ooh, that bag's cute.
yeah,
This is February.
This is February,
style.
as you can tell.
Oh, Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
Yes.
So,
Just a minute.
this is really cute.
That is cute.
Okay, so this first thing is this
Oh
brush.
my gosh, that is beautiful actually. Look at
Oh,
that.
that's so satisfying.
Look at that. Oh my gosh.
Well,
Oh,
don't-
it's
I
so
wanna-
soft. Here, show 'em.
I don't know where this goes. I think this is a powder brush.
Yeah, that is. Yeah. Okay. Nice. Okay, moving along. What else you got? Maybe I'll
This
look.
is, oh, by the way,
I'll go
this is
ahead.
Farrah. No!
Oh, okay.
This is Farrah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, what?
Okay. So, I next have Sand and Sky, Australian Pink Clay, Flash Perfection Exfoliating Treatment.
What do we look? Oh, that's okay. So it's literally pink clay.
Wait, what's it
Yeah.
for? What do you do?
It's like a mask for your face.
Oh my god,
Exfoliating mask.
wait, can I just, okay, so by the way, this is my casita, this is my living room, and Nicole's room's right there, my room's right there. And I have this little refrigerator, and on the bottom drawer are all of my face masks.
Okay.
And I just think it's so cute. I have like
Wow.
20 of them.
Okay, look at that. And they're nice and cold, and they
And
keep
they're
you
cold.
Awesome.
And it's so nice to put on my face when they're cold.
Okay.
Let me
Now, what else is in that bag?
Okay.
Let's get going here.
Okay,
We don't
okay.
have all day.
I just have to share that. This is coconut oil and coffee silky body butter.
Ooh. I bet this smells amazing. Coconut and coffee, like my 2 favorite things. Yes.
Me too.
Yes, please. Yes, it does.
Oh, so this is what brand is that from?
This is from Pure Release. There you go. That's amazing. Okay, what do you got there?
This is nail polish.
Oh, red.
That's so
Wow. Ooh,
cute.
I might want to put that on my toes.
That's really cute.
Inara Cosmo Beauty. Red nail polish. Love it. For February. Here, let me see if I can. Oh, that's awesome.
Okay,
The packaging is very substantial on here.
very efficient.
What's this?
This is Meech and Mia. I think it's highlighter. It looks like highlighter.
Ooh. Is it? It looks caramel
That's cute.
pressed. Okay.
I have so many highlighters. I can't even tell you.
Actually, this is a good color for me. Maybe I will be stealing this one. Hello. Oh,
I already have voice.
look at that. I love that color. Okay, that is amazing.
Oh, it explains all of them for you.
That's so cool. This could be eyeshadow or highlighter. It could be either one. It's amazing. It's gorgeous. Okay, so overall, what do you think of your Ipsy?
I think I like January's better.
You do? Okay.
Yeah, but I think they're both good.
And do you you get excited about it every month, don't you?
Yeah, for
like,
sure.
It's like we run to the mailbox.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
we can see
yeah.
it there. So, okay. Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and love you. Bye.
And follow me on Instagram, Emily.souls with 2 S's. Bye.
Bye.